Hey friends, for our Mother's Day craft that we're going to make today, this is what it's going to look like, the finished product. It's not going to look exactly like this. Everybody's going to be different because you guys are all unique and you guys all make your own artwork. But the supplies that we needed for this art is a piece of paper that you're going to glue everything onto, just a plain piece of paper. You need a flower pot. You can either draw one on a piece of paper or you can print it off the computer, either one, whichever one you feel better doing. And you're going to cut this out. The size depends on how big you want to make it. You need some stems. Mine are kind of long, so I just cut them in half when I was ready to use them. And then you need circles in 3 different shapes. This one's probably about 2.5 to 3 inches big. And then the next one's about 1.5 to 2 inches, and then maybe 1 inch big. Kind of looks like a snowman. And then just put them in whatever colors you want. I just picked a few different colors that I want to use and for my flowers. And then you're going to need some scissors and you're going to need a glue stick. Alright friends, today for art we are going to make a little Mother's Day craft because Sunday is a very special day where we celebrate the moms and the special women in our lives. Okay? So we're going to make a little craft for them. Do you guys all have your circles cut out already? You should have 3 different sizes. A big one, a medium one, and a small one. If you have your circles cut out, then you guys can go ahead and cut out your flower pot. I got my thumb in the little hole and my fingers in the big hole. My thumb's going to be up. And I'm going to cut my flower pot. My helper hand is holding my paper. Cut on the line, turn my paper, turn my paper again, alright friends, we're going to move on to the next step, okay? So you guys should have a sheet of blank paper. It could be white, could be pink, could be whatever color you have. You guys should have some stems. Alright, so you're going to take your stem and then you're going to glue it on to your piece of paper. They might be a little bit long. If you want to cut your stems down and make them smaller, you can cut them in half or cut them a little bit to make them a little bit smaller, okay? So I'm going to cut mine. So now I have a little bit shorter stems. I'm going to get my glue stick. And I'm going to glue on my stem. Then I'll put one right there. Then I'll put one right there. Put your stems on. I'm going to put another stem on there, a couple more. I'm going to do 4 flowers, so I'm going to do 4 stems. Maybe I'll have one down here. I'm going to put them at different heights so I can see all my flowers. And maybe I'll have one over here on this side. I have my stems on. Next, I'm going to put my flower pot over my stems. So my stems are coming out of my flower pot. You might have to move your stems around. I had to move mine so they would fit behind my flower pot. So I'm going to glue that on next. There it is. See if it passed the shake test. Woo! They didn't fall off. They passed my shake test. Alrighty friends, for our next step, we're going to get our big circles, your biggest circles that you have, okay? And you're going to put a big circle on each stem. Put some glue on. Put my circles on the stems. Whenever we're done. and we'll get a big circle. Give the old shake test. Make sure they don't fall off. All right, friends, for our next step, you're gonna get your middle-sized circles. And you're gonna glue those onto your flower, onto your circles that you already have. And then try not to match the same color. So if you have I'm gonna put my dark blue maybe on my light blue, or on my yellow, or on my red. I don't wanna match them, I wanna try to make them different colors, okay? So put your next size on top of a different color circle. So I have all mine on. Alright, friends, for our next step, we're going to get our littlest circles and we're going to put them on our flowers again. And remember, we're going to try not to match them. So put it on oh, not there, that's the same color. Put it on a different color circle than it was on before, okay? So now you should have 3 circles on your flowers. Alright, friends, for the last step, it's the hardest step on there we have to do. You have to write your name on the bottom. You can put it on the paper or you can put it on the bottom of the flower pot. Thank you guys for joining us for art today. And don't forget, if your flower pot doesn't say it already, go ahead and write Happy Mother's Day on there. You might have to have a grown-up help you spell it, but that's okay. I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed making this craft for your special someone. Bye! We'll see you next time.